So welcome to the big well. Here's some information if you would like to pause and read. Wow, look at this. This is the world's largest palisade meteorite. And they've had it since 1949. It weighs 740 pounds. If you get a chance, you definitely should stop by here if you're ever in Kansas. There's so much to read. There's the stairs right there. I believe that leads down into the well. So here's a story about a stone conundrum and some information if you'd like to pause and read. It goes way down there. This is the world's largest hand-dug well. It's huge. Wow, that is pretty deep.
So right now it's sitting at 4.5 feet of water, which he said is so clear it's really hard to see. Mm-hmm. But usually it's at 8 feet, and it used to be at 20 feet deep. But as through the years, it's gotten less and less and less of groundwater.
Why is that then?
Who knows where the water's going to? They think it's from one, the building being here, and all the pavement and everything like that. So it's not picking up the groundwater.
Oh, I see. Wow, there's even coins all the way down there. Yeah, that might not be wise. Might hit somebody. Drop a coin from here.
You probably can.
I think people do it because...
Yeah.
Alright, let me drop a coin. Are you not supposed to? Why do they have coins there then?
Okay.
See, they're all the coins?
Mm-hmm.
They would have listened if we couldn't.
Yeah, if there was no coin tossing, they would say, do not. Alright, well, so I'm just gonna hit, I didn't want to hit that guy. And here we go. All the way down. Huh?
Did you already drop it?
Yeah, it hit the cement. And all the coins are on that cement slab that goes across.
It'd be cool if they had a bullseye down there.
Yeah. There's Panda outside.
There's trees growing up through it.
So there's remnants of old buildings right out there.
Yeah, the whole building over there. There's some trees growing in it.
Yep. I'm laughing at my loud flip-flops. I can't help it.
Changed right here.
Yeah, the temperature did change. This is a shot of the well. Now you can see it now that we're lower. It smells musky here too. Alright, y'all continue on. Descend down into the well, the deep dark well.
I know. The problem is we gotta come back up. It's kind of like going to Carlsbad
Caverns. Just think of Stairmaster.
He said,
Right.
hey, absolutely. Yeah, we'll get our 1.5 miles in today.
Yeah. Oh, almost there.
Yep.
You really gotta watch your step.
It looks like they even have a pump on it.
A bump.
Pump to pump the water? I mean, obviously it's probably really old, but...
They have a hoist down here.
Oh, underneath me?
Yeah.
Let's see. I can't. Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Oh, to go down there and sweep it up and get the coins.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells very musky.
Oh, yeah, you can see how
The
much...
green? Is it green down there?
Yeah.
The water is.
Yeah.
You can see how much water they've lost, though.
Is this their drinking water?
No,
Oh.
not from here anymore.
All of a sudden, I started thinking that I'm on stairs that... I don't know.
We have reached the end.
Oh, pretty.
Oh yeah, look up.
Yeah, it's really neat up there.
That's beautiful. That's where we were, all the way at the top. Now we have reached the bottom. Look at all the coins down there.
There's coins on that platform, but there's also some in the water.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the water is crystal clear. You just can't. It just looks green. I guess the bottom of it's green.
Yeah.
It's the light reflection.
Oh, there's dollar bills down there too.
Dollar bill.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Oh, yeah.
No wonder they have a hoist.
look
They go
awfully
clean up the
small.
money.
No, that's funny.
So they have little slits in the wall. What were you saying? For water access?
I think that's where the groundwater from above.
You don't think that's just for where it helps the well breathe?
No.
What does that say?
Somebody that was here helping.
What does it say? I can't read it. It says,
Somebody wrote with a pencil.
He's something what, oh, never
who
mind.
was here?
Okay, but look at
Who was here?
Wait, hold on a second.
this. Maybe people have been,
Look, there's old writing. Pooh was here.
I think people are being bad.
Yeah, they shouldn't be writing on the wall. But no, that one actually does look old because it looks engraved.
You think so?
Maybe, I
Somebody
don't
didn't
know.
just
Or
sit
someone's
here and
defacing
be bad.
somebody else's
Yeah.
property.
Uh-oh, it says Scott something. I can read that.
Scott, you
What does
signed
that
your
say?
name. It says Bagwell.
Not me.
You're not Bagwell?
No.
You want to get in the
Hoist?
hoist and I'll hoist you down?
No, you get in it and I'll hoist. We'll hoist
Look
you
at
down.
right here, please, do not write on the walls of the well or on the stair structure.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
There's the sign. I was reading the sign, lady. I wasn't saying thank you to you.
I was just helping.
Yeah, the water down there is really clear. I thought it'd be mucky.
Yeah, it's so sandy around here that it must clean the sediment out
Probably.
so well.
Actually, you can see where the water does run down the well. See? Do you see the dark spot?
And you can see the pipes right there too.
Yeah.
But if you think about it, what they would do is they would put a board in there and do around it and then pull it out or chip it out because that's how the groundwater gets in. Because since they did this,
Looks like
it's
that's
not,
a
it's not going to
spot
be
where they
exactly.
fixed it.
And it's not going to be easy for the water to come through.
Right.
Like in my home, my well at home, that's 27 feet deep. You can open it up and you can see the water leaching. It doesn't have concrete.
Permeates through.
You just see it dripping off the walls
Right.
from all that. So we can ask the young lady up there and everything, but
Yep, this well is pretty deep. Oh, psh. Ah, look it.
What'd you just lose?
See, my foot got caught under here. It was my big rhinestone got caught.
yeah, just so you know, if you stay to the right,
This side,
you want to stay to the right because the stairs are
something
bigger.
deadly.
What is that?
I don't know.
The stairs are bigger.
It's a cricket. That's not deadly.
What is it?
A cricket.
Oh, it looked like a black spider to
Is
me.
it gonna rub its legs on you?
It might. I'm really hanging on to this. It's freaking me.
It's Jiminy.
I thought it was a big black widow. I can't go that fast. Did you get this, Lush?
And there's the big pipe.
Climb those stairs, lady.
No.
Stairmaster.
Stairmaster.
This is a bolt that held together the section of the pipe that supplied the original water to the tower from this well. Losing everything, almost. This is the wreckage of the old siren. This is what it was before the tornado ripped it apart.
This is going to be a long process, but this is a big help.
Across the state, there is an outpouring of donations from the Greensburg tornado victims. The Andover High senior class barely remembers the 1991 tornado that hit their town, but it still wants to help.
Sure, it may look like a goat rope.
There, I got pictures.
Right
of
here.
it.
Look at, you got that? Okay. Oh, yeah. See, this is when it came through and just leveled everything. Goodness. That's what a mile-wide
Yeah.
tornado does.
And that was when they
And
were
then they
rebuilding. They had to rip
Yeah.
up roads and stuff.
Yep. Wow.
We have an old picture up on the top what the town used to look like long time ago. Not much, but that's pretty cool. And then it continues on with the devastation. Oh look, it's a weather station. I thought it was a bee box last time I saw one of these.
Is it a bee box like?
Oh, I see. The bottom of the well is made from the impermeable rock. Then there's groundwater, then permeable coarse rock, and then permeable soil and fine rock is next.
Okay, this is the top of the well. There's a metal top, had windows on both sides that you could look down. And then they put this over it to cover it. This was the stairs they put in there. That's, and it used to go down 104 steps, which was probably 70 feet, because this is 50 feet.
Yeah, because those look really old.
Uh-huh,
compared to what's there
yeah.
now.
Oh, yeah, uh-huh.
And she was saying that you just open these glass doors open, right?
There's windows that you could look down.
Oh,
And there are little bars that you could throw your money down to make a wish, too.
oh, okay.
A lot different now.
Oh, yeah.
I like how you can walk down now.
It's really nice. I mean, I think they've done a fantastic job when they did build this over here.
And that's the water tower that the
Uh-huh,
well
that's the
is
old
up
one,
to.
uh-huh, yeah. Mhm.
So if you look in the bottom corner, you can actually see that this house has a array of solar panels. So it must be off-grid right over there. Mr. Grasshopper on the side. That's a huge grasshopper. Marjorie at the visitor center was awesome. She had so much information, and I love that she shared her story with us. I want to thank her for sharing that. We are here at a local park in Greensburg, and they do have electricity, free electricity that you can use. It is only 15 amp though, no 30 amp service, but I do have an adapter that I can use. So we are going to stay the night here, and we're also going to go to a restaurant, a local restaurant here, and spend some money. Yay, train! Hope that doesn't run all night.
They must have missed that part. My whole life
right?
has been around. My whole life has been around a damn choo-choo train.
This is a shot of the city park. The sun's getting ready to go down. It's a nice park. There used to be a pool here, but they filled it in after the tornado. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has. Margaret Mead. That's beautiful. This is the old pool house. And there's the big old pool. Now just grass. This is done beautifully. This is from Dr. Seuss, the Lorax. Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not. Momo, it says no swimming. I don't think you have to worry about that. And no diving. Walk. So this must be the kiddie pool that Moo-moo's in. Come here, Moo-moo. Although this pool is not in use, it does have a happy ending. They went ahead and donated this land to the town, and they moved the pool to a different location. Well, we're gonna go get plugged in and set up, and then probably go grab something to eat. I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. We love y'all out there. Bye for now. Say bye, Moo-moo. Bye. Who's the Moo-moo? I'm the Moo-moo. Moo-moo for president.
We'll never be alone, Savannah.